Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you how you can transfer from Coinbase to crypto.com. So in order to transfer from Coinbase to crypto.com, first of all, that you already have a wallet address or that you'll need to copy the wallet address. If you need to copy the wallet address, then what you'll have to do is go ahead and log in into your crypto.com. Now due to some security concern, the screen is unavailable, so I'm just gonna instruct you. Then you need to go to the receive button and select the asset that you're receiving, and from then onwards you'll receive a wallet address in the form of a QR code or a link, whichever is convenient for you. Copy that or download that, and once you're done with that, exit out of your crypto.com and log in into your Coinbase account. After you're logged into your Coinbase account, tap the transfer button, and from here go to send crypto. So before you do this procedure or a transaction, make sure that your account is verified. In my case, I don't happen to be verifying, so the interface is unavailable. What you'll need to do is you'll be provided with a list of assets that you wish to transfer. So select the asset accordingly, and then you need to paste in the wallet address, exact amount of crypto that you're transferring, and the destination and all sort of things. And lastly, you'll need to review the information that you've provided. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you've successfully transferred crypto from Coinbase to crypto.com. So in that way you can transfer cryptos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.